So in this problem, we need to find out the value of the given trig expression. Let us begin. So we'll start by first considering the angle pi over 8 plus a over 2. So let's say this is equivalent to theta. And the other angle pi over 8 minus 8 over 2. Let's say this is equivalent to phi. That means we have now the trigonometric expression given by sine squared theta minus sine squared phi. This will become easier to compute. Sine squared a, so that's given by 1 minus cosine of 2a divided by 2. So this means that sine squared theta can now be expressed as 1 minus cosine of angle 2 theta divided by 2. Minus, and sine squared phi can be expressed as 1 minus cosine of 2 phi over 2. So let's combine them. So we have 2, and in the numerator we have 1 minus cosine of 2 theta minus 1 added to cosine of 2 phi. That will be equals to cosine of 2 phi minus cosine of 2 theta whole divided by 2. Now we can combine cosine of 2 phi minus cosine of 2 theta. There's another formula. The difference of two cosine function, cosine A minus cosine B. So that's given by 2 times sine of angle B plus A over 2 multiplied to sine of angle B minus A over 2. So let's use this formula. Then we should get 2. We already have a 2 in the denominator. So we'll get 2 over 2 multiplied to sine of angle. So we need B plus A. So that's 2 theta plus 2 phi over 2. So we have 2 theta added to 2 phi divided by 2 multiplied to sine of angle. We have 2 theta minus 2 phi divided by 2. Let's further simplify, and that will be equals to sine of theta plus phi multiplied to sine of theta minus phi. Okay, now let's do one thing. Since we have the value of theta and phi, let's add theta with phi. So when we add theta with phi, this implies that theta added to phi will be equals to, so a over 2 will get cancelled out, so we'll be left with 2 times pi over 8, or simply pi over 4. And if we do theta minus phi, then we will be getting the value 8. Now let's replace this value. So we can replace theta sine theta plus phi as sine pi over 4. So we were going to get sine pi over 4 multiplied to sine of theta minus phi. So theta minus phi will be simply equals to 8. So we have a standard value for sine pi over 4. That's 1 over square root of 2. So this will be multiplied to sine of angle A. Therefore, the final value of the given trigonometric expression, that's going to be 1 over square root of 2 times sine of angle A.